Guys, welcome to How to Global YouTube channel. In this video guys, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to save Google Docs as epub file in Android guys. So what you need to do right now is open the app Google Docs and then create a file, tab here, give a title to this document, and then write something inside the document. Okay, and now if you want to save this file as a epub, you need to go here to these three dots right there, tab on it, and then to click on here, share export. Alright, share export, tab here, tab share export, and then go to save as. Now you need to choose this option, epub publication. Alright, then you need to click on OK, and now now you saved this file as a epub file. That's it guys. You set the document as a epub file guys. So this is all there is. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and give and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.